What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play a bar song by Shaboozey. If you're new here, click that subscribe button. Also, if you need the guitar chords for this song, you can find them in the ebook that's on my Patreon page. The link is down below and in the video description. I also have all my guitar tabs on that page as well, and a lot of other stuff for free and paid members, so go check that out whenever you can. Let's jump into it now. This is how you play it. Okay, this song is in standard tuning, and you do need a capo on the 2nd fret. We're using 4 different chords, starting with an E minor. It's going to be middle finger, 2nd fret A string, ring finger, 2nd fret D string, and all the strings ring open. Next, we're going G. Leave your middle finger where it's at. Take your ring finger and put it on the low E on the 3rd fret, and then take your pinky and put it on the high E on the 3rd fret. Next, we're going C major. Take your middle and your ring finger and move them up 1 string. So your ring finger is on the 3rd fret of the A and your middle finger is on the 2nd fret of the D. Then put your index finger on the 1st fret of the B string. Then we're going back to G, and then to this version of like a D, F sharp. You put your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the low E, and then your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G. And for this one, you'll just be playing the low 4 strings. And I'm even muting the A with my middle finger there. Now your strumming pattern is going to be the same through the first 3 chords, and then it changes at the very end before it starts over. It starts with down, down, up, down, up. That's through the first 3. It looks like down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, and then down, down, up, down, down, up, down. So I'll do that again slowly. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. There you have it, guys. Keep practicing and you will have this song down in no time. Like I said, if you do need those guitar chord diagrams, check out the ebook that's on my Patreon page. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It does have all of the good chord diagrams in there. It teaches you basically everything you need to know, the fundamentals of the guitar for your first 7 days of learning. I still reference it a lot myself to just kind of stay sharp on some of these topics and ideas, but it does have the guitar chord diagrams in there if you need them. I also have all my guitar tabs for all my videos on my Patreon as well. There's a lot of other rewards on there for paid and non-paid members, so go check that out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below or leave them on my Patreon page. I am going to start pulling from more guitar suggestions from the Patreon page, and I'll probably post private videos there for specific requests there, and then keep posting the kind of public ones here on YouTube. So go check it out. Let me know if you have questions, and we'll see you in the next video.